In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video into Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Incorporating videos into your presentations can make them more engaging and dynamic, and with Google Slides, it's a straightforward process. We'll walk through each step to ensure you feel confident and ready to add video to your presentations. To begin this journey, you'll need to open up Google Slides. If you're not there already, go ahead and navigate to Google Slides in your web browser. It's a part of the Google suite of apps, so just like Google Docs or Google Sheets, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step ensures you have access to all the slides and tools you need. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have a couple of options. You can either start fresh by selecting a blank presentation, or choose a pre-designed theme if you have a specific look in mind. Picking a theme is beneficial if you want your slides to have a consistent and professional appearance right from the start. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to click on Insert. It's here in this drop-down menu where the magic happens, allowing you to add various elements to your slide deck. Hover over to find the video option and give that a click. Now, you're prompted to paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to include. Beforehand, it might be a good idea to have that URL ready. To find it, go to YouTube and copy the link of the video you're interested in. This can be done by navigating to the video on YouTube, clicking on the URL and copying it. Then you return to Google Slides, paste the URL into the provided field and hit that search or select button. Once the video is imported, you can drag it to the desired position on your slide. Adjusting the size is also straightforward. Simply click and drag the corners of the video box to your liking. This flexibility lets you fit the video perfectly within your presentation layout, ensuring that your audience can see it clearly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully inserted a YouTube video into your Google Slides presentation. This approach not only enhances your slides with multimedia content, but also keeps your audience engaged and informed. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore more with your presentations. Thank you for following along, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your presentations more dynamic.